Okay, we're watching this time. Yeah, I'm watching. This just seems bad. Seems like bad parenting right here. You did a good jump.
Chase, be careful when you go down with your face first. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah.
Next time you'll hit your chin.
What time I did a foot on this?
Yeah, a little too slippery now. Alright, Chase, watch out. Brandon's gonna jump and you might hit your feet.
Wait, get out of my way.
Chase, just wait. Let him jump, then you can go.
Chase, no, he'll get tangled in there. No.
Wait, I'm not
Alright, Brandon, let's see the big jump.
Brandon, just jump before you fall.
Brandon, big jump, or you're gonna fall down.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cannonball! No. Not on my time. You do it on your time. Oh, good. Brandon, you're going to tree yourself.
Yeah. Brandon, you're gonna get an owie. Be careful.
What is he doing?
He's a daredevil, that's for sure.
Oh, he's going to jump the other way. Oh, you almost stuck the landing.
Oh, Brandon, so close.
What? Brandon, did you have fun?